click a photo, and we can edit and analyze the photo separately at the top right corner. Click Edit to see a series of analysis tools on the right, which are the same as the functions in the home screen, so that won't be covered again here. You can also set the parameters of this photo separately. To the left, there is a small icon to add notes. We can add notes for the photos, add voice notes, do some graffiti and add text notes. Click the exclamation point on the left to view the information of this photo, including the date and time of shooting, and some specific parameters of the photo. Let's move down. Click the heart graphic on the far left to add this photo to my favorite. Click this little icon on the right to rename this photo. Renaming can be done in 3 ways: voice input, text scanning, and regular keypad input. Let's move to the right. The functions on the right are the same as those in the photo album. You can generate a report for this photo separately, upload this photo to your cloud disk separately, cut this photo to the SD card separately, and delete this photo separately.